If you're searching for how to recover contacts after factory reset iPhone, you're in the right place. This guide is designed to help you quickly restore your lost contacts step by step. Part 1. Recover contacts from iPhone after factory reset via iCloud.com. If you previously enabled contacts syncing with iCloud, you can easily restore your contacts after a factory reset using iCloud.com. Step 1. Open a browser on your computer and go to iCloud.com, then sign in with your Apple ID and password. Step 2. Click on Settings, then scroll down to the Advanced section. Step 3. Select Restore Contacts to view available archived versions of your contact list. Step 4. Select the desired contact archive, then click Restore next to it. Step 5. Confirm your action by clicking Restore again in the pop-up window. Wait for iCloud to complete the process. Once finished, your restored contacts will automatically sync back to your iPhone, and you can check them in your Contacts app. Part 2. Restore contacts from iPhone after factory reset from iCloud backup. If you previously enabled a full backup, you can recover your contacts by restoring the entire device. Step 1. Open your iPhone and go to Settings, then tap General, select Transfer or Reset iPhone, and choose Erase All Content and Settings. Step 2. After the device restarts, follow the on-screen instructions to set up your iPhone, including selecting your language and connecting to a Wi-Fi network. Step 3. Sign in with your Apple ID when prompted during setup. Step 4. On the Apps and Data screen, choose Restore from iCloud Backup. Step 5. Select the most recent backup file available. Step 6. Wait for the restoration process to complete, and your data, including contacts, will be restored to your iPhone. Part 3. Retrieve contacts from iPhone after factory reset from iTunes backup. If you have previously backed up your iPhone data using a computer, you can use iTunes or Finder to restore your contacts. Please note that restoring via iTunes will replace all current data on your device with the contents of the backup. Step 1. Connect your iPhone to your PC and open iTunes. Step 2. Click the device icon in the upper left corner of the iTunes window. Step 3. In the Backups section, select Restore Backup. Step 4. Choose the relevant backup file and click Restore to begin the process. If your backup is encrypted, enter the password when prompted. Part 4. Recover contacts from iPhone after factory reset without a backup. If you don't have an iCloud or iTunes backup, you still have a chance to recover your contacts using a professional tool like Coolmuster iPhone Data Recovery. Step 1. After downloading and installing the program on your computer, launch it from the desktop. Then connect your iOS device to the computer using a USB cable. The software should automatically detect your device. If prompted, tap Trust on your iPhone to allow access. Step 2. Once connected, choose Contacts from the interface and click Start Scan to begin. Step 3. After the scan is complete, you can preview the detected files in detail. Finally, click Recover to Computer to restore the deleted contacts from your iPhone to your computer.